A combo chart combines the column chart and the line chart, and it is best for comparing two datasets with different scales in one chart. Take, for example, we have products here, their sales and their profits. The sales are represented in terms of columns, and the profits are represented in a line chart. So to obtain this chart, you select the entire table, go to Insert tab, so always recommended charts. If your chart is not present here, click here, All Charts, and then proceed to Combo. And there you have it. So we have obtained the same thing. Alright, and then you can change the title as necessary. In my case, which product is top performing.